Hello, so today I am doing for you a peanut butter cup blondie. So blondies don't get as much of the spotlight as their friend brownies do, so today I thought I'd show you a really delicious recipe and using our nut butter cups, which we launched last year, and make an awesome topping for this blondie. Okay, so to start you want to add 125 grams of unsalted butter to your bowl. To that you want to add 100 grams of white chocolate, and then to that I'm going to add 100 grams of our ultimate crunchy peanut butter to the bowl, and you're going to heat that up over a saucepan to melt it all together. So once that's all fully melted, you want to add your sugars into the bowl whilst it's still warm. So I've got 200 grams of light muscovado sugar, I've got 125 grams of light caster sugar, and yeah, just fully mix that in. To the bowl then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to your mixture. And then you want to beat 2 eggs before adding it to the bowl, and I've got 2 medium eggs here. And using your wooden spoon, just mix it all together till fully combined. And then last but not least, you add the 270 grams of self-raising flour and fully combine that again. Okay, so that's fully combined now, and you need to add it to your pre-prepared baking tin. So it's quite a fudgy texture, so you need to push it out to the sides using a spatula so that it fills all corners of the baking tin. And see it right there. And then the fun bit, so I'm going to now press our nut butter cups into the surface, and you want to just press them gently down and then simply bake in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes. And I've got a preheated oven here at 150 for a fan oven, 170 for a normal oven. Okay, so I have taken these out of the oven and they smell delicious, and all the nut butter cups have melted on the surface, and they've kind of got a crust now appearing on the top of the blondies. So all you have to do now is chop them up into nice little bits once it's cooled for about 20-30 minutes, and then eat whilst they're still warm and gooey. Okay, so you can see they're all warm and gooey and melted, and then you've got the crusty blondie around the outside. Yum.